Ever felt like you're on a content creation hamster wheel? You create, post, repeat, and you're barely keeping your head above water. What if I told you that by 2026, you could be running a full-fledged content empire without lifting a finger? I'm not talking about hiring a huge team. I'm talking about a truly hands-off system, powered entirely by AI. It's not science fiction. It's the future, and it's closer than you think. Today, we're going to break down the exact AI automation stacks that will make this a reality. This isn't just about passive income. It's about building a passive content creation machine, step by step. So, are you ready for the 2026 content revolution? For years, we've heard the term passive income, but for most creators, it's been anything but passive. It meant endless grinding to build a library of content that might eventually pay off. But something is changing. The AI we have today is just a teaser. By 2026, AI won't just be a tool, it will be the entire assembly line. This is the real tipping point. When I say a hands-off content empire, I mean a system that ideates, creates, optimizes, and distributes content for you 24/7. Your role shifts from being the factory worker to being the architect, the CEO who sets the vision and lets the system execute. That's the ultimate goal, and it's what we're building towards today. So how do we build this? Let's deconstruct the core blueprint, the AI automation stack. Think of it like a set of Lego blocks, each with a specific job. There are 4 main layers. First, ideation. This is where AI finds viral topics, analyzes trends, and generates endless content ideas based on your niche and target audience. Second, creation. This layer takes those ideas and turns them into drafts, scripts, articles, and even generates the visuals and audio to go with them. Third, optimization. Before anything goes live, this AI layer refines the content. It perfects SEO, crafts compelling headlines, checks for tone consistency, and ensures every piece is primed for maximum impact. And finally, distribution. This is the magic layer that schedules and posts everything to the right platforms at the right time. Your blog, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, your email newsletter, all without you clicking a single button. Imagine this workflow. Your ideation AI detects a surging trend in your niche. It sends a brief to the creation AI, which writes a detailed blog post and a summary script for a short video. The script is then fed to an AI video generator that creates a full video with visuals and a voiceover. Simultaneously, an AI image generator creates a stunning thumbnail and social media graphics. Then, the optimization AI fine-tunes the blog post's SEO, writes 5 different high-performing titles to test, and generates the social media captions. Finally, the distribution AI schedules the blog post for Monday, the YouTube short for Tuesday, a series of Instagram posts throughout the week, and a summary email for your subscribers on Friday. All of this happens while you sleep. The tools to do this are already emerging. By 2026, they won't just be good, they'll be seamlessly integrated. We're talking about next-gen models like GPT-5, fine-tuned on your specific voice and style, connected directly to autonomous scheduling platforms. All right, enough theory. Let's get practical and walk through building our first basic stack. Think of this as the starter kit. First, we need our content brain. Let's say we're using a future version of GPT, which we've fine-tuned with all our previous articles. We'll connect this to an automation platform like Zapier or Make. Our trigger will be a new, high-potential keyword identified by an AI trend analysis tool. Once that keyword is flagged, it automatically prompts our fine-tuned GPT to write a 1,500-word article on the topic. The article is then automatically saved into a Google Doc. That's step 1, automated drafting. Now let's add the visuals. The next step in our automation chain is to take the completed article from that Google Doc. We'll have another AI, this one specialized in summarization, create a 10-point summary. These 10 points become the prompts for an AI image generator, like a future Midjourney or DALL-E, which creates 10 unique images related to the article's core concepts. These images are then automatically saved to a specific folder in our cloud storage, perfectly organized and ready to go. For video, we can take that same summary and feed it into a text-to-video platform that generates a short, engaging clip, complete with captions and a synthetic voiceover. We've now automated our text, our images, and our video content from a single trigger. The final piece of the puzzle is distribution. This is where it all comes together. Our automation platform now sees that the article, images, and video are ready. It takes the full article and automatically creates a new draft post in our WordPress or Ghost blog, inserting the generated images at relevant points. It sets the post to publish on our predetermined schedule. Next, it takes the video and uploads it as a draft to YouTube and TikTok, pulling the title and description from the optimized text generated earlier. It even takes quotes from the article and schedules them as text-based posts on Twitter and LinkedIn for the coming week. And just like that, you've set up a set it and forget it system. This is a simplified version, but it demonstrates the power of connecting these tools. It's not one magic app, it's a stack of smart tools working in harmony. Once you have this basic stack running, the real fun begins: scaling your empire. This is where advanced strategies come in. You'll want to integrate an analytics AI. This tool doesn't just show you views and clicks, it analyzes why certain pieces of content perform well and feeds that data back to your ideation AI. So, your system gets smarter over time. It learns what your audience loves and automatically doubles down on those topics, creating a self-improving feedback loop. But here's the most important rule: don't completely abandon the controls. The crucial role of human oversight cannot be overstated. You are the strategist. You need to periodically review the AI's output, check for brand alignment, and make sure the content still feels authentic. The AI is your employee, not your replacement. Your job is to guide the strategy, not to do the manual labor. Now, it's not all smooth sailing. There are common pitfalls. A huge one is setting up a stack with conflicting tools that don't integrate well, causing the entire chain to break. Another mistake is poor initial prompting and fine-tuning. Garbage in, garbage out. If you don't give the AI a clear brand voice and style guide from the start, you'll get generic, soulless content. You also have to watch out for AI drift, where the content slowly strays from your core message over time. This is why human spot checks are so vital. Troubleshooting these systems means being methodical, testing each connection in your stack, and refining your prompts until the output is consistently high quality. So what comes next? Once you've mastered your content automation stack, you can expand this philosophy into other areas of your business. Imagine AI handling your customer service inquiries, managing your ad campaigns, or even prospecting for brand partnerships. The principles are the same. Identify repetitive tasks, find the right AI tools, and build an automated workflow. Of course, this raises important ethical questions. What does a world saturated with AI-generated content look like? How do we maintain authenticity and human connection? These are conversations we need to have. But one thing is certain: the creators who embrace this shift will have an unbelievable advantage. The future is coming, whether we're ready or not. Building a hands-off content empire by 2026 isn't a fantasy, it's a strategic choice. You can start today. Your first actionable step is to map out your current content creation process. Identify the most time-consuming, repetitive tasks. Then, start researching the current AI tools that can automate just one of those steps. Don't try to build the whole empire overnight. Start with one automated process. Master it. Then add another. By starting now, you'll be building the skills and systems to dominate your niche when 2026 rolls around. The tools are here, the roadmap is clear, and the opportunity is massive. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this breakdown, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss our next video, where we dive even deeper into specific AI tools. See you in the next one.